Hi team, welcome back to the channel. Previously, lesson 17 last session we discussed about source qualifier, and today we are discussing about joiner transformation. In previous session, we already discussed about joins in SQL database level. Like what are the joins we discussed, like self join, right outer join, left outer join, full join, self join, and equi join, cross join. But while coming to Informatica, we have only 4 joins, right? How to you utilize joins here? How to utilize joins? How to leverage joiner transformation in Informatica, right? See here, joiner transformation in Informatica is used to join heterogeneous sources such as relational tables, flat files, XML files, or sources from different databases, unlike the source qualifier. Here source qualifier, what we did there, we only join tables from the same schema, right? That join enables cross source joining. In source qualifier, that table should be from same schema, right? It won't accept, even though relation table, it won't accept from different database. But in joiner transformation, you can join any relation tables, flat files, XML files, any type of sources, right? So when will we use joiners? We are using joins? Joining to join the heterogeneous sources. Heterogeneous sources means like relational tables and flat files, like that. Here mostly joins used to builds enterprise data hubs requiring multi-system integration, right? To implementing outer joins like master join, detail join, full join. I will explain what it is. Okay, identifying missing or mismatched records, right? Missing or mismatched records. Handling real-time data feeds from external vendors. Cleansing and enriching pipeline data using combined attributes. Okay, attributes nothing but columns, right? Here 4 types of joins I already told, right? See here, the first join in Informatica is normal join, that is equal to inner join in equi join, inner join or equi join in database level. Inner join, what we did in inner join, it returns rows that match between master and detail pipeline, means matching records from both the tables only it will give if you use normal join. Master outer join or left join. Master outer join nothing but left join. In left join, what it did at the time, it gives all the records from the left table and matching records from the both the table. That's it, right? So returns all master records even if no match exists in detail. Okay, so all the records from the master table and the matching records from the detail table. And detail outer join nothing but right join. Detail outer join nothing but right join, right? Return all the detail records, right? Even if no master record exists. What is detail table and what is master table? I will explain. Detail nothing but the table contains with more records, that called as detail table. Master table nothing but the table which contains less records. We are joining 2 tables or 3 tables, 4 tables, 2 tables on. If you join 2 tables, in the 2 tables, whichever the table have less records, that is called master record, and more records has we can call detail table, right? Full outer join nothing but returns all the rows from both the tables. That's it, very simple. And merits and demerits, what are the uses of joiners? It supports outer joins that source qualifier cannot do, right? Enables multi-database ETL integration and very flexible in selecting master and detail sources. How to select master and how to select detail, very flexible. If same records are there in both the tables, at that time what we have to consider as master and what we have to detail, how to assign master and detail, we will see in Informatica level. Okay, this is just theory, just listen. Allows partial or complete dataset joins. Okay, useful for audit and completeness reporting, right? Demerits here, performance becomes slower with larger master set. Okay, so at the time it will take a little bit time. Requires catching of both sources requires catching, right? At that time we have to use sorter transformation or to avoid the sorting and all. does not support SQL override. It does not support. We can't write any SQL override in joins. We can't write. I will show you. In SQL source qualifier transformation, we can write SQL override, right? But here in joins, you can't write any SQL override, right? Cannot perform non-equi joins. Here, definitely, if you want to join two tables, one matching column should be there. If there is no matching column, single matching column, you can't join the two tables, right? So cannot perform non-equi joins. Equality symbol only you can use. Greater than, less than, no other symbols you can't use in joins. Only equal symbol. Sorting recommended for high volume performance. Sorted transformation you can utilize. You can use, and shorter. I have to check sorter box. Sort input box is there available, like aggregated transformation is available there, no, like that. In joiner transformation, if you give shorter input, you have to enable that shorter checkbox. I will show you, no worries. Yeah, let's deep dive into the practical implementation. So here two tables. So let's go to requirement first of all. Yeah, this is our requirement. What is the requirement here? Yeah, so client asked, so I have tables, players tables. I already have previously we created a players table, and players performance file is there. Players performance file is there. What is players performance file? I will show you, 1 second. Players performance file, nothing but I created one file. This is the players performance file, like player code, player code, matches played, total runs of total wickets, strike rate. So player one, how many? Player one means Virat Kohli. Player code and play matches played 237 matches played, total runs 7,000 runs, and wickets 4 wickets, and strike rate 129. Like that, all for 4 players I created one file. So I want to join. I want to join with our players table. What is our players table here? This is our players table. So I extra added few more records. These are the records. See, I also added Hardik Pandya, Surya Kumar, Duplessis, Glenn Maxwell. These records also inserted. I will give these files, no worries. Okay, just insert these DMLs. Okay, these are called DMLs. I already told. This is called DDL. DDL nothing but structure of the table. DML nothing but insert statements, data manipulation language. DMLs. So I inserted. So 12 records are there in players, and 4 records are there in performance table, right? So I want to create what client is asking. This is target table, player analytics dimension table. What is that? So player, here player ID and player code from player performance file, and player ID from players table, right? Here everything is direct one-on-one mapping, and here this logic we have to implement. What is this logic? If runs total greater than or equal to 6,000, we have to call him as listen. And if less than 600, less than 6,000, in that 6,000, if runs greater than 3,000, we call as senior player. In that less than 3,000, we call him as emerging player. Like that, we have to assign an updated date when these stats updated. So that date we have to get sysdate we have to get. This simple logic, right? So to join these heterogeneous sources, one is from relational table and one is from flat file, right? Let's see. Just first of all, close this file. Let's go to this here. We already have players table, and let's go to sources, import file, total all files, and what is the file name? Player performance, right? Okay, import field names from the first line. Okay, next it is CSV file, comma only. Next, that's it. Like this, you have to. What is this? Yeah, just replace it, no problem. Yeah, here whenever you drag the flat file, just simply Simply, what is this? So here you have to player code you have to match the precision. No need to match anything, just simply here what is the precision, just check it. Player code precision is 15. Here just give 15, that's it, simple, because you have to match the precision, then only join may takes place, or else it will fail. Remaining everything is number, no worries. Just simply you can put any 20 number to everything. Precision up to, you can keep it like this, no problem. Okay, precision never makes an issue, no problem. Matches played, how many matches played, runs, the total wickets, okay, everything is a number, just apply, that's it, simple. Okay, now go to targets. Target DML I will give, no problem. Where is this one? In TGT I will give this DML. So I created this one. Let's check it. Yeah, see what are the target columns: player ID, player name, team name, matches played, runs, total wickets, strike rate, player level. Player level meaning nothing but legend or the senior player or emerging player, like that. Updated it, updated stats when, what are the latest date we updated the stats. That's it. So this is the target table, right? In this way. So in this way, this is the source table name. Source table name and target table name, source column, target columns, one on one. Just two logics. One is this logic we will implement, we can implement in joiner transformation. This logic we have to implement, these two logics we have to implement in expression transformation. That's very simple, right? Let's go to target. Target also I already implemented, I already imported. What is the target? Player analysis dimension. This is the target. Simply go to mappings and create mapping m underscore, just copy the name of the table, stats, simply stats, that's it. Okay, now drag players and drag the flat file, and to join these two tables, to join you have to take joiner transformation. This is the joiner transformation, right? Simply, that's it. Just right click, select all, drag it, right click, select all, drag it, right? That's it. So here condition, what is the condition? It automatically taking player ID and player code and player ID, simple. It's not matching, why? So here you have to check, double is the player, double is there, player code is there, decimal is there. Just you can change here, source qualifier level, you can just change here, no problem. Just change it to double, that's it. Precision is the same, no problem. So simply just go to there again, and again it is not accepting. Data types of force, player code and player name. Again remove it. Again drag, sorry, delete this, let's see. Again drag the joiner, select all, select all. Now check the condition. Yeah, now it is accepting. That's it. Okay, no problem. Now after joining, you join those two tables. That's it, very simple, no problem. Just drag the target. What is the target? Players analysis dim table is the target table. So simply here extra what we need, level, player level. We don't have the column from source side player level okay, source side player level is there, but condition, we have to send the records according to the condition, right? Let's see. Extra ports here, o underscore player level player level is envarchar, and envarchar nothing but string, no problem. And player level, how much? Just give 50, no problem. Here that is, sorry, why I am writing here? We can't write in joiner transfer. In joiner transformation, you can't give any condition. Simply in expression transformation, take on expression transformation. Simply just select all, send all this to expression transformation. In expression transformation, you can write player level sum 50. That's it. It's an output. Player level, what is the condition? Player level, if total runs greater than or equal to 6000 is a lesson. Again, if total runs greater than or equal to 3000, what it is? 3000 senior player or else emerging player, sorry, emerging player, comma, close the bracket and again close the bracket, right? Validate it, expression valid, right? Simple, that's it. Okay, and one more is there. What is that? Date, last update, output date, last stats update when you updated, that is system date. Simply give the date and time. That's it. Output system date, nothing but very simple, that is sys date. That's it, no need to give anything, just state, simple state. That's it. Here player code is just input only. I am disabling for output port, so simply, sorry, select it, team name, and up from to here, select it. That's it, right? In that way you have to build the mapping. So here in joiner transformation condition, go to properties, condition properties. Here properties, so many types of joins are there. I told no, normal join, master outer join, detail outer join, and full join. So 4 types of join. Normal join, nothing but equi join. It will gives matching records from both the tables. Master record join gives acts as a left outer join, and detail acts as a right outer join, and full outer join acts as a full join. Gives all the records from both the tables, right? Okay. Now how to select master and how to select detail. See here, in source, in joins, how many ports are there? Input port, output port, master port, m port. M port is nothing but which table we have to select as a master, right? See, this is, these five columns are from which table? Five columns are from flat file table. These four columns are from which relational table? So in relation table we have more columns, right? We have more columns, but whatever here master or detail you can select here, but according to the properties only this join will happens. If you give normal join, it will give matching records. If you give master outer join, it acts as a left table, first table as left table, right? I will show you the difference, no problem. Just you can switch this master and detail. See, like this you can switch, no problem. Just select it. Okay, control invalid mapping. What is invalid mapping? Player strike rate to source call for strike rate. Strike rate to strike rate, something happening. One second. Strike rate is 6. Your strike rate is 5 only. That's why. Okay. So let's. Okay, let's go to the change the source. Edit the source. Here strike rate is, so that's why give everything some 20. 50 is high also no problem, but less means it won't accept. Okay, apply. If you change here, it will automatically reflects. Strike rate is a decimal. Decimal is there. Decimal is there. Double. Okay, then give double. Let's see. Still it is showing. Why it is not accepting? 1 second. Remove that joiner also. Okay, source qualifier itself. Delete this. Let's delete this. And again, from source qualifier you have to drag. Sorry. So take the joiner transformation again. Drag all those. Select all. Right click. Select all. Drag all those. And write the condition here. Why it is not accepted? Player code and player. Okay. 1 second. Just change to double. Let's check. Why it is not accepting that? Delete it. Again, drag this. Just trial and error method. See here. Okay, instead of learning subject, you can also learning problem solving techniques, right? In this way, you have to check, right? So let's check. Apply. Yeah, now it is accepting. See, like this. So like this, it will accept. It will update. Here, strike rate number set double. Okay. Here, player code. Select all. Yeah. Player code not required. Let's see. Now valid. See, now valid because of here, because of precision only. Main issue precision. Previously precision is 5, but here it is asking 6, right? 6. That's why. So for strike rate precision, strike rate only previously issue. Previously we have 5 in source and 6 in target. So source should be greater than target, no problem. But if it is less than so a target, it not valid. So now it is valid, right? See, now just go to the mapping, edit mapping, take the copy of the mapping and go to tasks, create task, s underscore this one, create it, stats. Okay, controller copy, done, and go to workflow designer here. Okay, workflow designer, let's create workflow also. Create wf. Okay, yeah. Now here we have to, you are using file, no, you have to make some changes to file. Here file connection, file name you have to give correctly. File name here, what is the file name you inserted? This, and that CSV file dot CSV, like this you have to, right? Apply and go to targets, targets dev. Okay, normal, just truncate and load. Okay, multiple times we will load, not just truncate and load. Okay, that's it. So here drag stats, link task, control S, save, valid, session is valid, workflow is valid. So now let's check any records are there. As of now, no records. Let's run the workflow. Once again, I think it will be complete. Yeah, stats completed. Let's see. Yeah, 4 records. See, 4 records inserted. Why 4? 12 records reading from players table and 4 records reading from player performance source table and loading 4 records. Why 4 records? Because here, why 4 records? Here it is normal join. Properties go to normal join. So that's why it loaded only 4 records. See, 4 records and matches played, runs, total runs. What we performed in expression transformation, this one, right? See, greater than, total runs greater than 6,000 means is a legend. 6,000 is a legend. Below 6,000 and below 6,000, below 6,000 and above 3,000 senior player. Below 6,000 and below 3,000 is emerging player. And also last updated date 14/11/14 today's date, right? These two only we calculated in expression transformation, right? And for matching records, for suppose here master auto if you give, what it will do? Okay, let's save it. Control S, valid mapping. Just click it, right click, refresh mapping, Control S. Again go, it's a truncate and load, right? No problem. Restart it. See, 12 records from players it is reading, 4 records from performance table, and totally 12 records loading. Why? Because first table, what is the first table here? What is the first table here? Players table. Players table is the first table, and so left outer join means what is here? What is this property? Master outer join. Master outer join acts as a left outer join, already told, right? Master outer join acts as a left outer join. So left outer join means, what is that left outer join means? Master outer join acts as a left outer join. Left outer join means it gives all the matching records from left table, and so all the records from left table and matching records from the both the tables. See here, all the records from first table it will give, and matching records. These 4 are the matching records. These 4 are the matching records. For remaining there is no matching records. So that's why it is giving null. For match ID 5 is not present in our which table? Not table, it's a file. 5 is not there, right? 5 is not there. So that's why it is not giving, right? So again go to, so here go to joiner, and if you change again master to detail means right outer join. Right outer join means it will give all the records from the right table and matching records from both the tables. So here right table means file. In file only 4 records we have, so it gives 4 records. So we have 4 matching records in table also. So see, let's see. Okay, see, again rerun. Yeah, 12 records from players, 4 records from players, 4 records from players. So finally 4 records only you will get, because matching records only 4 records, and those 4 records are from right table, and matching records so also 4 records, right? Like this. Detail table nothing but right outer join. Master join nothing but how many joins? Master outer join, detail outer join. Now if you join full outer join means it will give all the records, from both the tables. All the records from both the tables. Let's see. Restart it. Will truncate and load. See, So 12 records from players table and 4 records from performance table and total records. So matching, it will filter out duplicates. It won't give duplicate records. It will filter out duplicates. So matching records, 4 records are there, no? So those records won't repeat. So that's why again you got 12 records. 12 records you got, right? For suppose, let's add one more file. If you, so for suppose, one more file I have. What is that file? See, here one more file is there. 1 second. Here I have remaining also for Hardik Pandya remaining players file is there. I am adding that file also. Let's see. So how to join another file? Just simply go to sorry, not here. Go to sources, import the source file. Click on all the file names. This is the new one. Okay, just simply import field names from the first line. Import field names, I think what headers, right? Next, and it's a CSV file, always comma separated. So next, just check that columns, every column came or not. Okay, right? That's it. Finish. So here what you did, so you don't need to change anything, just simply precision, just give precision according to the precision 15, some 20, 20, 20, this one also some 20. So strike rate just double, no problem. Okay, in this way you have to change the right. So now drag performance, sorry, same file, this is same file, delete it. This is new file. So how to add new file? Here again here, if you want to join this one, so 3 files here, 3 files you are joined. So how to join? Simply go to joiner. You have to take one more join. So to join 3 tables, you have to use finally 2 joins. So take one more join and drag all these, simply all these, and also all these, select all, right? So here disconnect this. Sorry, so disconnect this. So like this you have to join, and here what are the columns? Sorry, first you have to, here you have to change player ID, right? So decimal 15. Let's see whether it will work or not here. Player ID, apply. Okay, it is not working again. Just delete it. So first here change to double, no problem. And take the joiner. So just try to understand the scenario, no problem. Try to understand. So joiner again, just select all and drag it. Now give the condition again. What is the condition? So automatically it is picking, apply. Okay, it is supporting. So now you join. So from here, same, nothing is changed. So simply, so joiner, simply player ID to player ID, player name to player name, up to here, strike rate. Like this you can strike rate. That's it. Strike rate remaining are not required, right? player ID to player ID. Yeah, these also you can drag, but no need to connect. Here these things, why you are dragging, no, just to calculate the total runs and all. That's right. So for this, just these are inputs only. Layer ID one matches runs. These are inputs only. Those are not outputs. Simply okay. That's it. Right? Just control S. It's a valid. Now refresh mapping. And here again, one more source we added. New one. So here again you have to replace the new name. CSV file. Here what is that? Here you have to give the, why it is not highlighting like this? This object has been modified since the time it was read. Here we saved, no? Okay, no problem. Then why? Just connect and disconnect, no problem. FFCSV, yeah. Dot CSV, right? Source file name. Source file name we have to give a new one. Okay. Now control S. Now it was updated. Hey, where is our man? Okay. Start the workflow. Let's go to, yeah, see, from players table to all records, from what is this? New. So new source file 8 records and previous source file 4 records, total 8 records. Why 8 records loaded? Why 8 records loaded? What is that? Joiner condition here. Joiner condition, properties, normal join means equal join nothing but matching records it will give. Total matching records it will give. So how many matching records? So up to Muhammad Sami it will give, but wickets, everything, emerging player. I think for this there are no records. Hardik Pandya. Okay, overall records. So overall matching records like that you can calculate. So you can combine three sources. Three you can join by using joiner transformation in this way. So here joiner, one more thing is there, like cache, index cache and data cache. What is index cache and data cache? So they will ask. Here two types of caches are there. One is data cache, one is index cache. Index cache nothing but condition. What is the condition? Condition it is there, no, that is index cache. For suppose player ID matching player IDs. Matching player IDs, how many matching player IDs are there? Virat Kohli, whoever matching condition is there, no map player ID. So that will create a temporary memory. That is index cache. Remaining columns are there, no, that is called data cache. So index cache is less than data cache because that only one condition, one column records only it will fetch, it will store temporarily until the session get ended. So for remaining cache is there, no, that is data cache, that is huge records, more records. That is two types of cache in joiner. This is the importance of caches, right? They will ask. So in this way you can join multiple sources at a time like this, right? Just try from your end. If you have any doubts, if you got any doubts, just comment it. I will definitely answer it. Okay, no problem. Or else some WhatsApp channel group also I given in the post. So just go to post. WhatsApp channel group is there, no? You just join there and you can ask the questions, anything, or you can also comment, right? Let's see let's meet in next session. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.